Hey guys, what's up? Let's talk about one thing. Why is everyone talking about the horse gelatin trick for men? Well, today I am going to answer that question and give you all the need to know basis, okay? Lately, the horse gelatin trick, it has been generating massive buzz amongst men looking to feel more confident, to have more energy and more feel more revitalized. Across social media and online forums, men are sharing stories about renewed stamina, a performance that is so much more improved, that is like 100% better, and a greater sense of vitality after incorporating this simple routine into their daily lives. So, first of all, I just want to mention straight up, if you want to get to know more about the horse gelatin trick, below this video is a link, and over there it explains everything, what you need to do, how you're going to incorporate it into your daily routine, and so much more. Okay, so yeah, just down here. But as I was saying, guys, basically, as men get older, factors such as stress, poor sleep, demanding schedules, and natural aging can leave them feeling less energetic and less confident than they once were, right? So many men start searching for natural ways to support their overall wellness, their energy levels, and even their performance. And that's exactly where the horse gelatin kicks in. Okay. This is such a cool way to help you in the bedroom, in your everyday life as well. And supporters of this popular wellness trend believe that the unique nutrients found in gelatin can help support the body's natural function, like contributing to greater energy, better recovery, enhanced physical performance. Many men said they are rock hard for longer. They are having a lot more libido as well. And it just makes you feel like a better man. And the cool thing about the horse gelatin trick is that it's easy. You are going to be incorporating this into your daily routine, preferably in the morning, each and every day. And it only takes a few seconds, guys. So if you want to bring that spark back into your lives, if you want to recover your confidence, increase your self-esteem, then the horse gelatin trick is gonna help you in so many different ways. So pop over to that link to get to know more about it. I know you guys are not going to regret this because lots of men are doing it already and they feel so happy with this. So don't wait around, okay? Go there right now to get to know more about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.